Hello everyone, and today I'll be showing you how you can make an animated NPC, yeah? This is not hard at all. So what you do is you first insert your character that you want. I used this in the last tutorial, which is character inserter. I'm gonna use myself in R15 and I will click on insert, yeah? Then I will have my character right over here, which of course has like a humanoid and everything inside of it. Make sure you have a humanoid in there. Then in your character, click on the plus icon and click on script, yeah? We're just gonna make it, we're just gonna make it like animation or something, yeah? Then inside of your animation, click on the plus and add a animation. Inside of your animation ID, put your animation ID inside of this. I'm gonna use my own, which is this one, yeah? Because this animation is in R15, my character is also in R15, so it will work perfectly fine, yeah? Then inside of your animation script, what you do is our simple goes offline, yeah? We're gonna local our animation equals script double point wait for child animation animation. Then of course what we're gonna do is local humanoid equals script dot parent double point wait for child humanoid. Then also local dance or like animation, it doesn't matter, equals to humanoid double point load animation. Now what we're gonna do is dance double point play, and just to be sure dance dot looped equals true, yeah? Then when we test the game, you will see my character will be waving at you. Of course, this works with any other character, yeah? So if I go into your character inserter and I'm gonna do someone else, I'm gonna just Lalaris again. Yeah, R15, insert character, close this, put him next to me, yeah? I can also just copy the script and place it inside of Lalaris, and you will see they'll both be waving at the same time. Yeah, this is how you can make your NPCs have a waving animation, or like do any emote that you want. Yeah, just make your own animations, save them to Roblox, get the get the ID of the animation, and put it inside of animation here, and it will work perfectly fine. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.